One day, a cute white rabbit was hopping around in the forest. He would hide behind bushes, jump and drop leaves, and sometimes sing happily. Suddenly, he noticed something strange. It was a cabbage. But not just any cabbage, it was pink, blue, and yellow. The rabbit was very surprised. He said, "What kind of cabbage is this? Maybe it's magical." He went closer, sniffed it, and took a small bite. As soon as he ate the cabbage, soft wings appeared on his shoulders. The rabbit happily jumped and started flying. He flew above the trees, playing with the clouds. But after a while, the wings disappeared, and the rabbit gently fell to the ground. He landed on soft grass and was a little scared. At that moment, a wise owl flew down from a tree and said, "Magic is fun, but only for a little while. True happiness comes when we share joy with others." The rabbit smiled and said, "You are right, Mr. Owl." Then he called all his friends and said, "Let's cook a soup with this cabbage together." All the animals gathered, made soup, and ate it happily.